thinking you can simply conjure up a Chase bank account out of thin air. Let's clear up that misconception right now. While you don't exactly create a Chase account, you certainly open one. JPMorgan Chase is a financial institution, and we're going to explore how to become a client first. Let's head over to the Chase website, Chase.com. Okay, on the Chase homepage, look for the Open an Account button, usually located prominently at the top or center of the page. Click on it. This will lead you to their account selection area. Now, you'll see a range of personal banking options, checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, and more. Take your time to review each option and see which one best fits your financial needs. Important factors to consider are minimum balance requirements, monthly fees, and interest rates. If you're looking for a business account, locate the Business tab, often found at the top of the page, and explore their business banking options. You'll find checking accounts, savings accounts, and even lending options tailored for businesses. Once you've chosen your account, click on the Apply Now or Open Now button. This starts the application process. You'll be prompted to provide personal information such as your social security number, date of birth, and address for business accounts. You'll also need to provide business details such as IN and legal structure. After submitting your application, Chase will review it. If approved, you'll receive confirmation and further instructions on how to activate your account. Congratulations! You've just opened a Chase account. You can then manage it online or through the Chase mobile app. Remember to explore all the different options so that you can make the best financial choice.